In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along directly in a worksheet. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup, and it's used when your data is arranged across rows instead of down columns. In simple terms, Excel looks across the top row of a table to find a matching value, and then it returns information from a row underneath that same column. To understand how this works, let's use a simple example table. In the first row, you have product names: laptop, mouse, keyboard, and monitor. In the second row, you have their prices: $5,000, $800, $1,500, and $12,000. In the third row, you have stock quantities: 20, 150, 75, and 30. This kind of layout is perfect for HLOOKUP because the item names are placed horizontally across the top. Now let's say you want to find the price of a mouse. The formula would be equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark, mouse quotation mark, comma, A1 colon E3, comma 2, comma false, close parenthesis. This tells Excel to look for the word mouse in the top row of the range A1 through E3. Once it finds mouse, it moves down to the second row of that same column and returns the matching value, which is 800. The false at the end is important because it tells Excel to find an exact match. Next, if you want to return the stock quantity for a keyboard, you can use a very similar formula. Type equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark, keyboard quotation mark, comma, A1 colon E3, comma 3, comma false, close parenthesis. In this case, Excel finds keyboard in the first row, then returns the value from the third row in that same column. The result is 75. You can also make HLOOKUP more flexible by using a cell reference instead of typing the lookup value directly into the formula. For example, if cell E1 contains the product name monitor, you can use equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E1, comma, A1 colon E3, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Excel reads the value in E1, searches for it in the top row, and returns the price from row 2. The result is 12,000. As a quick tip, always make sure the value you want to search for is in the first row of your selected table range. If it isn't, lookup won't return the expected result. With that, you now know how to use HLOOKUP in Excel to quickly pull information from horizontally arranged data.